So hello guys, today I'll be going to the next problem set of the CS50 Python oriented course. So our next question is playback speed. Let's see what they explained us about this program. Okay, so we are supposed to replace every single space with 3 dots. Okay, so this is our code. Let me create a file and let's just code playback.py. Okay, we are supposed to ask for the input text. Now I am supposed to replace every single space with the 3 dots. So Python also comes with a built-in function to do that work, that is replace. So I'll be replacing the text with the old text, that text dot replace the older one and the new one. Okay, so this is the syntax of this replace function. So the old one is just a space and the new one are 3 dots, and I will just print the text. For the sake of this video, I am not writing any of the comments that how I am using this tag or any function, but in your case you have to write it, because after some months or year you will be seeing your code, and or somebody else can see your code. Okay, so let let us run this code. Playback. Hello. Hello. Okay. Again, my name is Bhardwaj. Okay. So it is correctly outputting my answer. Let's just check if it is correct or not completely. Okay, so this is correctly completed. So as I told you how to just copy this code and paste it in your terminal and then press yes, and you will be submitting your this problem set. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you next time.